Mihira, we need to closely monitor patient 427, Mr. Paul. His condition is deteriorating faster than anticipated. His blood pressure is fluctuating wildly, and his oxygen saturation levels are dropping despite the increased oxygen support.
I've increased his 4 fluids and adjusted the ventilator settings as per the respiratory therapist's recommendation.
Good. But we need to be proactive. Order a stat chest X-ray to rule out pulmonary edema. Also, I want to see the results of the blood gas analysis immediately. His confusion is escalating, so I suspect there might be a metabolic imbalance.
I'll get the orders through right away, Dr. Mayfield.
And Mihira, I'm concerned about the family's emotional state. They're understandably distressed. Could you arrange for a social worker to speak with them? Open communication is crucial during these times. Now, Mihira, I'd like to share some important advice about food safety, especially since you mentioned eating out. When you're choosing where to eat, it's always wise to be a little cautious, particularly with places that serve street food or offer raw or undercooked items. Pay attention to the overall hygiene and cleanliness of the premises. A clean environment often indicates good food handling practices. It's also crucial to make sure that any hot food you're served is actually piping hot all the way through, not just lukewarm. If you ever find yourself getting sick after eating somewhere, and especially if your symptoms persist or seem unusual, it's a good idea to report your concerns to the local health authorities or food safety body. They can investigate if there's a wider issue.